Hello, today we are going to be making a Lego Nightmare or Nightmare Puppet. Okay, let's start with the head. So for the head, you take one of these pieces and then you attach one of these pieces, and both of these are in black. And then you attach them together like this. And then for the eyes, you take a Lego eye piece and attach it like this. Then you take one of these pieces in this color, like brown, and then for the mouth and the cheeks, you take two of these pieces in black, but for one of them I only found green, and you attach them like this. Then for the teeth, you take one of these white gridded pieces and you attach it like this. Then for the rosy cheeks, but they're black, you take two black studs and attach them on the sides of the mouth like this. Then for the neck, you take one of these cylinder pieces in black, and you attach it through the little peg in the piece that's attaching the head into the hole, the stud with the hole in it on the black cylinder piece. Then you take one of these pieces, the same one that we used for one of the eyes, and then you attach it like this. Then for the arms and the body, you take one of these pieces with two studs on the sides in gray. Then you take two stud-like tiles with clips and attach them on the sides like this. Then you take two of these pieces with bars and you attach them into the clips on the body. Then you take two of these pieces in gray and these two pieces in black, but one of them I only found this cut and one in this color. Then you put them on the bottom. Oh wait, no, you put them on the top in gray, and they're in gray. Then for like the rib cage or something, I don't know what it is, you take two of these pieces in black with studs on these little knob things, and you attach a black stud and both of to attach. You put a black stud on the top of this piece to attach this piece. Then you attach it like this. Then for the legs, you take a jumper plate in white or black, and then black legs, and you attach it like this. To attach everything, for the legs, you attach it like this, and for the head, you attach it like this. And there you have your Lego Nightmare Puppet. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.